Boxy. But so today, first off, if you are new to branded Cleopatra, which is me, I'm Cleopatra if you had not guessed, but go ahead and drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. And if you like anything in this video, or you want to if you have a question for me, or you want to let me know something, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know whatever you want to know, or let me know. Drop a comment. But so today it's gonna be Lip Monthly. So let's go ahead and get into it. I know you guys are ready. It's July, almost the end of July, so we might as well drop this video. Let's see what we got. Okay, a cute little bag. I think I've gotten this bag before, but let's get right into it. So the first thing that I see is a Tango lipstick by Bombshell. I feel like I've gotten Tango before from them though. But let's see. Oh! Wow. The lipstick is in the container. Or in the top. That's sad. Let's see if I can. Wow, I feel like just tossing this. Dang. Struggle. But that's what it looks like. It's like a red. I don't know if I should swatch it, but I'll try. Dang, they didn't give a crap to this month. But that's what it looks like. It's a little bit red, Alright, and it's regularly $8. The next item in here that I'm pulling out is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Gel Lip Liner. Ooh la la, and it's like a cute little, like pink beige nude color. Let's go ahead and open it though and see. Let's swatch, and it's kind of like curved for some reason, but But while I'm trying to open this, I might as well talk to you guys. I really want you to be more interactive with you guys, so gonna try to figure out ways to do that. So I think I'll start doing like weekly questions, or like, video questions. Oh, it's so cute. So, and then I just want you guys to like either comment your guys' answers, or like go on my Twitter and answer the question. But I'll even post on Twitter what the question is, and then you guys can answer it there or on my video. But let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Oh, it's really, really nude. But that is it there. Super cute. And this is regularly $18. Ooh la la. And then I got I got a Lip Monthly branded, what is this? A lip crayon in the color 01, which I just got in another Lip Monthly for June, but it was a lipstick, so excited. And it's in the same color. Let's see. Oops. Ooh, it's a nice red. Look at that. And it's nicely branded too. Get you guys with that little swatchy. Ooh, that's cute. That's that there. It's nice. and it is regularly $16. Last but not least is an Estate product. Goulash. I don't know, it's a nice little pink box. I don't know if you can really see it though. And it's in the color, I'm just watering. It's in the color Snack. Let me get you guys one of that. I don't know if you can see it. Oops, whatever. Oh wow, it's so cute. This packaging is adorable. It's a wet matte. It's a nice little like nude pink color. Get you with it right there. Ooh. That's so cute. And that is the color right. Oops, almost fell. That's the color right there. It's super adorable. I would definitely be using this. And it is regularly $10. How cute. Pool party. But that's all for Lip Monthly this month, guys. All these cute products. I might as well just leave them out of the box and just put them in there. There we go. But thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed Lip Monthly for July. But so the question though, the question for Lip Monthly July, I don't want to get that makeup on anything. Let's see. I guess let me know what your major is at school. I just talked to one of my new subscribers. Her name is Bree on YouTube, and I asked her, or she was telling me that she likes my tapestry and she wanted to know where I got it because she wants to get one for her college dorm. So I told her I got it on Amazon, and I asked her what major she that she is, and she's a medical. She wants to go into medical technology. I was like, oh wow, girl, okay, get your money, go ahead. But yeah, so what is your major? That is the question. Or what major do you want to go into when you go to college? But yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye, lovies.